Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on this Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you would replace these gas struts on the back. These are the struts that would hold up your lift hatch. Say they're not lifting up properly, or maybe they fall down on you, you'll need to replace them. And you replace both of them at the same time. And so when you're replacing this, you'll want to prop up the hatch, or have a helper that's going to hold it up. Because once you remove one, I mean, if they're holding up a little bit and you remove one, or vice versa, it will fall down, because you need both of them to hold it up, because they're designed that way. So to start with, you'll just need to be able to get that hatch propped up, and then you can take a screwdriver. You can use a screwdriver and or a pick tool, and you'll see a little C-clip here, and you'll just want to get behind that clip, and you just need to pull it out a little bit to be able to get it to unlock. We did that with the top, and we'll do that with the bottom one also. So again, we have a little C-clip. We just need to get behind it, and then we'll be able to pull and remove. So when you get your new one, you'll take your new one. These have a right hand and a left hand, so you want to make sure that you put them on the right side. And this says the body structure, so we want to put the actual solid metal piece toward the body, right? So you're going to just line it up over the round hole there, and you just press and it'll snap that clip around the ball there. And then we'll do the same on the one up top here. And snap that into place and lock it into place. And then you would just follow the same procedure to replace the one on the other side. And that's how you would replace the gas struts on your lift gate or hatch of your Chevy Trax. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.